So we're going to look ahead at cable this week. Busy week of UK data and ongoing Brexit talks as usual. What can investors expect?
There's going to be a lot for cable to do with this. But obviously last week the pound seemed to benefit from sort of the overall macro woes. The pound come out as one of the rare winners, really. It ended up crossing $1.32. At points it was up to $1.325. I think that's like a 3-week peak for cable. This week it's got a lot to contend with if it wants to remain at those levels. I think on Tuesday you've got UK jobs report. Main focus there will be wage growth. I think wage growth jumped up to 2.6% last month. So any continuation in the right direction of that would be welcome. Then on Wednesday you've got UK inflation. That also jumped up. I think that jumped from like 2.4% to 2.7% month on month. Obviously, it'll be interesting to see if it goes any higher, because 2.7% is a high for the last few months. I'll be interested to see if it continues to climb. Then on Thursday, you've got UK retail sales, which, every time you hear reports in the run-up to UK retail sales, they tend not to be great. However, August figures were slightly better than expected. So it'll be interesting to see whether September can produce a similar sort of pleasant surprise. And on Wednesday night, you've also got the Fed meeting minutes, which, given that investors are sort of interest rates are now sort of back at the forefront of their minds, it's going to be interesting to see what kind of tone the Fed struck during that meeting. Obviously, they raised rates back in September, but investors will be looking more for guidance in terms of not necessarily the rest of 2018, because a December rate hike does look fairly locked on, but what kind of pace the Fed will raise rates at in 2019. In terms of what our clients are doing, they are still buying the pound actually around the $1.32 mark, which is interesting given that it is at a 3-week peak and is heading into a week that any one of those numbers could knock it off that perch, alongside, reports of a Brexit deal have sort of appeared last week. So it'll be interesting to see, whether that will have an impact. There are a lot of things that could come to dominate the week, which makes it interesting that clients are buying at those $1.32 levels. But like I said, they are still fairly comfortably around $1.32, supporting the pound.
Thanks, Connor.